Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you a program of 15 minutes how to operate it. Today we have a few things to, so when you get to your washing machine you have to make sure that you add in the scoops. You have to add, so in my case here I'm going to add 4 scoops and I already added some scoops there. This will be the last one, and I added this liquid here just to help it on the form. So I'm going to go ahead and connect, then this, put it here, then you're going to go to 15 minutes, which is down here. You have to make sure the washing machine is connected and also it's connected on the guard, that doesn't get issues with the twisting. So I'm going to shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you reach that, it will give you the 15-minute wash. So after here, I've inserted the clothing. Then I'm going to click start. Then the machine is going to start operating, and it's going to lock this key that you see here. It locks. Then it starts the program. Then after here, you wait for the process to finish. So in our case here, we're going to wait for it to complete. After our 15 minutes, it will complete. And